So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the community connection script. And this is designed to help you with a stream of referrals that you can get from your clients without having to directly ask them all the time. So the other day, I had a client say, okay, I love this program. And then how can I refer you? And I kind of stammered. I was like, oh, that's not really I didn't really have a clear process for that. And there are a few different reasons for that, but it really brought this question to my brain very, very quickly. Do my clients, my active clients, know that we are taking referrals and how to connect us? And so I'm going to put that, they do now, based on this approach that I'm going to walk you through. But I'm going to ask you that same question. Do your active clients know you are taking referrals and they know how to connect you? And so since my answer at the time was no, I was like, how can I fix that? And so what I did is I looked at all the different points of a client's journey and when would be the right times, the easy times to invite people to refer. Now, please note that I did say invite people to refer versus ask for referrals. This is probably a conversation for a different day. I wrote a separate post about it, but the ask for referrals feels like taking, invite people to refer feels inclusive. So I like that language better. And one of the things that I want to say about this particular approach is so much of our job as business owners and specifically in sales and marketing is about planting seeds. Now, I live in Southern California. I'm a total suburb person. I got a plant when my dad passed away, and I was like, how do we keep this alive? So, like, I do not have that way of thinking, but here's what I know from being in business for 25 years is that you have to plant seeds. I have this quote that's up there on my whiteboard. You can't see it from your view, but it says, judge each day not by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. William A. Ward. And so this is a seed planting approach that is going to be very, very effective. So the big idea is, depending on your business model, you may have reminders that go out to your clients. For us, we have a group coaching program, and the day before, we send a reminder that there's a call coming up. When we have workshops, we have reminders that there are calls coming up. And I thought that is a great place to be more inclusive. And so what we're going to do is what I'm going to walk you through right now is how to put an invitation to refer into your reminder emails in a way where your customers feel honored, feel cared for, feel like you're being generous, and then always just keeps that seed planted and keeps you top of mind for referrals when someone comes into their life. My philosophy around referrals is invite people to refer early and invite them often. And so this is one of many strategies we're going to go through in the workshop that we're running called the Referral Advantage. If you'd like the download of this, like the words that I'm going to share with you here in a minute, then just go ahead and write in the comments wherever you're watching this video, write the word script, and we will get that over to you so that you can use it, just copy and paste it, fill in the template, and stick it in any reminder emails that you have. Okay, so here's the approach. So you have the reminder email, and it's probably like, so excited, this thing is coming up. Here's your Zoom link, or here's your information. And then you might have like, bring this, or have here's the workbook or whatever, and then you'd sign your name, right? So right after that, we have a PS. And the PS is a great place to put stuff as just like, PS, by the way. And so here's what we have in our reminder emails now. PS, we're grateful to have you as part of our community. I'm sure from time to time you think of someone that we should be connected with. When this happens, you can connect Karen, and I put Karen's messenger link, on a three-way message via Facebook Messenger or email if they're not on Facebook. If anyone you know decides to take a workshop or a coaching program, we will happily share a referral gift with them. Now, this works for a few different reasons. Number one, it starts off with a compliment. We are so grateful to have you as part of our community. Number two, there isn't pressure. I'm sure from time to time this happens. Number three, it's specific. When this happens, that's kind of like a double seed because it's like, this is going to happen. You are going to run into someone that you need to connect with us. So there's some confidence there, but it's not like pushy, hardcore. It's just when this is going to happen. So when this happens, you can connect Karen on a three-way message via Facebook message. So it's specific. And so they're actually, it's a little bit of painting a picture. So when this happens, you're going to do this, and then you're going to do this, and then you're going to do this. And so it actually makes it much more likely that it's going to stick in their brain because of the specificity of that specific sentence. And then we're going to end with gratitude. If anyone you know decides to move forward, then we will happily share a referral gift with you. And that's it. So we're going to put this at the bottom of our reminder emails for our group coaching program and our workshops. And this is going to make sure that this whole referral thing is top of mind when the inevitable happens. When they run into someone, they're like, oh, I actually know what to do now. I'll just connect you on a three-way message. So I hope you like this. If you want more tips like this, make sure that you sign up for the Referral Advantage workshop. It is going to be awesome. I'm going to share with you a bunch of different strategies that feel and sound a lot like this, that you can sprinkle into your business so that you can increase the stream of referrals that are consistently coming in. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon.